Oh, update. Kia ora whānau, welcome back to the channel. Oh yeah! Say hello, Ghost. This is Ghost. He's an apex predator. Very vicious animal. Anywho, so this is what my piston look like. Has a pretty bad crack on it, and that's why it has zero compression. The other three piston is actually still in really good nick. There's the minor scratches here and there, should be perfectly fine to use, but I thought since I'm changing the one piston, I might as well do the rest of the piston, all the pistons, so I get equal compression readings. So might be able to reuse that in the next project maybe. I'll just show you this bad crack here. So yeah, this build is basically gonna be about me and my friends rebuilding the SR20 dead motor out of an S15 and putting it in manual ASX. It may not be the best way of rebuilding it. You can, I don't know, put your comment on it, what's the better way to do it, but this is just how we did it and we managed to make it work and the car's still running. All right, let's get to work. If you get a tight seal, you can blow it in. You can suck it in like that. Compression test. Yeah. Alright, there's heaps of compression there. Nice. Oh yo, got free stickers. Yeah. That's all I want it for. About time to put the motor and gearbox together. Now we're just putting the flywheel. Don't forget your sandwich plate. the tires holding it nicely there.
Nice.
It's another expensive ticket out of this car. Nismo copper plate. Everything's there.
Yeah. I don't see any fuel leaking.
All the fuel lines hooked
Yep.
up.
Everyone's hooked up.
Alright Joe, give it a crank. On. Let's go, let's go! Yeah! What's that all that smoke is it? Well, you fucked it again, Joe. That's it for now, guys, on this video. If you like to see some more of my videos, please don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps me out. Stay tuned with my upcoming projects, so subscribe. I love hearing from you all, so drop a comment below, or if you have any thoughts and suggestion, that would be awesome. So thanks again and take care. Ouch!